Imagine you're living 12,000 years ago. No cities, no smartphones, no Netflix, just hunting, surviving, and trying not to get eaten. One day, you leave a basket of sweet fruit outside your shelter. A few days later, the fruit smells strange, looks rotten, but curiosity wins. You take one bite. 10 minutes later, you're laughing at absolutely nothing. You can't walk straight. Your friends think you've been cursed by the spirits. But the truth is, you've just become the first human to ever get drunk, as crazy as it sounds. Some archaeologists believe alcohol may have changed human history forever. In fact, some even argue that humans didn't start farming just to make bread. They started farming to make beer. Sounds unbelievable. Let's travel back in time and find out. Humans didn't invent alcohol. Nature did. Whenever fruit becomes overripe, natural yeast feeds on its sugar. That process creates ethanol, the alcohol we know today. Even now, elephants, chimpanzees, monkeys, and birds accidentally get drunk by eating fermented fruit. Our ancestors probably saw this happen thousands of years ago. And eventually, someone asked the question that changed history. What happens if I try it? Nobody knows who the first person was. But one thing is certain. They were either incredibly curious or completely fearless. Maybe the fruit tasted terrible. Maybe everyone laughed at them. Maybe they woke up with the world's very first hangover. But they also discovered something unforgettable. Fermented fruit made people feel different. And once humans discovered that feeling, there was no going back. Around 10,000 years ago, humans began farming. Most history books say it was for bread, but some researchers believe beer played an equally important role. Communities gathered for feasts, people celebrated together. Religious rituals included fermented drinks. Trade expanded. Villages grew into cities. One simple drink may have helped bring strangers together and helped build civilization itself. The Egyptians brewed beer. The Sumerians wrote songs about it. The Greeks mixed wine with water. The Vikings drank mead. Almost every ancient civilization created its own alcoholic drink. Not just for fun, but for religion, medicine, politics, and celebration. Alcohol became part of human culture long before modern history began. The first human who took that risky bite had no idea that one small moment of curiosity would influence thousands of years of human civilization. Sometimes, history isn't changed by kings nor wars. Sometimes, it's changed by one curious person who simply says, "Let's see what happens." Subscribe for more unbelievable stories from human history.